Imagine a future where spaceships navigate the cosmos like birds glide through the air, effortlessly and intelligently. Sounds like science fiction, right? But what if I told you that future is closer than you think? Welcome back to Space, your gateway to the wonders of the universe. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world where artificial intelligence is revolutionizing space exploration. Buckle up. Space is vast, unimaginably vast. Navigating through the endless expanse requires more than just rockets and fuel. It demands intelligence, adaptability, and precision. And that's where AI comes into play. Remember when we first sent rovers to Mars? They were slow, cautiously moving inches at a time as they awaited commands from Earth. But now, thanks to AI, our rovers are smarter and more independent than ever before. Take NASA's Perseverance rover, for example. Equipped with advanced AI, it's not just exploring the Martian surface, it's making decisions on its own. It identifies interesting rock formations, navigates treacherous terrain, and even avoids obstacles without direct commands. Imagine being on another planet and having the autonomy to choose your path. That's what AI enables for our robotic explorers. But rovers are just the tip of the iceberg. Artificial intelligence is transforming how we process the immense amount of data collected by telescopes and satellites. Every day, instruments like the James Webb Space Telescope capture terabytes of data. Sifting through all that information is like searching for a needle in a cosmic haystack. AI algorithms step in to analyze patterns, detect anomalies, and even discover new planets orbiting distant stars. Speaking of discoveries, did you know that AI has helped identify exoplanets in data that human astronomers had overlooked? By training neural networks to recognize the subtle dimming of stars when planets pass in front of them, a method known as the transit method, AI is accelerating our search for Earth-like worlds. Who knows what else might be hiding in the data, just waiting to be found? If you're as excited as I am about these breakthroughs, now's a great time to hit that like button and subscribe to Space. We dive deep into the stories that matter, and you won't want to miss what's coming next. Now let's talk about autonomous spacecraft. Traditional spacecraft require constant monitoring and input from mission control. But with AI, spacecraft can make real-time decisions. For instance, the European Space Agency is developing AI systems that allow satellites to autonomously adjust their orbits to avoid collisions with space debris. This not only protects valuable equipment, but also reduces the workload on ground-based teams. Think about it, space is becoming increasingly crowded with satellites and debris. The ability for satellites to think and maneuver out of harm's way is like giving them a sense of self-preservation. It's a game changer for satellite longevity and mission success. And it's not just about avoiding hazards. AI enables spacecraft to optimize their routes, saving fuel and shortening travel times. Imagine planning a road trip, but having your car calculate the most efficient route in real time, avoiding traffic and saving fuel. Now scale that up to interplanetary travel. Shaving off months from a journey to Mars not only saves resources, but also reduces the exposure of astronauts to space radiation, a significant concern for long-duration missions. But here's a question. How does AI handle the unknowns of space, where conditions can change in an instant? The answer lies in machine learning and adaptability. AI systems are being trained to handle unexpected scenarios, learning from simulations and past missions. This means they can react to solar flares, asteroid fields, or other cosmic surprises without waiting for instructions from Earth. In deep space, where communication delays can be as long as 20 minutes one way, this autonomy is crucial. Let's not forget about astronauts. AI assists crew members on the International Space Station by managing life support systems and conducting experiments. Virtual assistants, similar to the ones on your smartphone but far more advanced, help astronauts with procedures, diagnostics, and even language translation among international crews. It's like having an extra set of hands or an entire support team in the solitude of space. Consider CIMON, the crew interactive mobile companion developed by the German Aerospace Center and IBM. CIMON is an AI-powered floating assistant that can interact with astronauts, display procedures, and even recognize their emotions. It might not replace human interaction, but it certainly enhances mission efficiency and morale. Curious about how AI impacts Earth as well? Satellite imagery powered by AI helps us monitor climate change, predict natural disasters, and manage resources more effectively. By analyzing patterns in weather systems or deforestation rates, AI provides insights that help us protect our planet. So in a way, exploring space with AI also means taking better care of home. Now consider the implications for future manned missions to the Moon, Mars, and beyond. With AI handling complex tasks like navigation, system management, and hazard avoidance, astronauts can focus on exploration and scientific discovery. It's humanity and technology working hand in hand, pushing the boundaries of what's possible. But as with any technology, there are challenges. One of the biggest concerns is ensuring that AI systems behave reliably in the unpredictable environment of space. Rigorous testing and validation are essential. Engineers are hard at work developing fail-safes and redundancies to prevent malfunctions. After all, when you're millions of miles away, you can't just reboot the system. This brings us to an exciting point: collaboration. Agencies around the world are joining forces to advance AI in space exploration. From NASA and ESA to private companies like SpaceX and Blue Origin, the collective effort is accelerating progress at an unprecedented rate. It's a global mission, and we're all a part of it. Now, let's delve deeper into how AI is aiding in the search for extraterrestrial life. Programs like SETI, the Search for Extraterrestrial Intelligence, are leveraging AI to analyze vast amounts of radio signals from space. AI algorithms can detect patterns and anomalies that might indicate the presence of intelligent life. While we haven't found definitive evidence yet, AI is enhancing our ability to look. Imagine if one day we receive a message from another civilization, and it's AI that deciphers it. The thought is both thrilling and humbling, but we can't get ahead of ourselves. It's important to stay grounded, figuratively speaking. The ethical considerations of AI in space are just as significant as the technological ones. How do we ensure that AI systems make decisions that align with our values? This is an ongoing conversation among scientists, ethicists, and policymakers. For instance, when an AI system encounters a dilemma, like choosing between mission objectives and potential risks, how should it decide? Establishing guidelines and frameworks now is essential to prevent unforeseen consequences later. We're at a pivotal moment in history. AI isn't just a tool, it's a partner in our quest to explore the universe. The innovations happening right now are setting the stage for discoveries we can't even fathom. And the best part? We're all witnesses to this incredible journey. If you're thrilled about where AI is taking us, make sure to subscribe to Space. Your support helps us continue exploring these fascinating topics together. Before we wrap up, I'd love to hear your thoughts. What do you think is the most exciting application of AI in space exploration? Or perhaps you have questions about how AI and space tech intersect. Drop a comment below and let's get the conversation started. As we look up at the night sky, the stars remind us of the endless possibilities that await. With AI by our side, those possibilities are becoming realities. The universe is vast, but step by step we're making it a little smaller, a little more understood. So next time you gaze at the stars, remember that we're not just observing, we're venturing out, exploring with the help of intelligent machines we've created. It's a partnership that's opening doors to new worlds and new knowledge. Thank you for joining me on this journey through the cosmos and the cutting-edge technology that's taking us there. Until next time, keep looking up, stay curious, and remember, the final frontier is just the beginning.